welcome and welcome back to the channel. Real quick, what I want to discuss today is this 2013 through the 2016 Dodge Dart. Alright, now you may have a situation where you can't get your transmission into gear, or you may have a situation where you cannot even start the car. At any rate, what you have to do is get your car towed to your local Chrysler dealer. Alright, now what we may end up doing is completely replacing your entire shifter assembly, and the only reason that may happen is because the recall parts at the time of this filming is not available at the moment. So Chrysler may authorize us to put a complete shifter on it, but you won't know until you make the call your local Chrysler dealer, or even call Chrysler for that matter. They may authorize us to give you a complete shifter. I do not want you stranded out there with no car because of recall parts are not available. So let me show y'all exactly what's going on. Here's the end of your transmission shifter. Okay, this is supposed to attach to your transmission, so when you activate the shifter, your shifter is supposed to move and put you in gear. Well, what's happening is this bushing right here is shattering, coming apart, so we have to go in and replace this bushing. Okay, it's V34 recall. All right, now at the time of this taping, the bushing is not available, so again, you may end up getting a complete shifter. At any rate, we need to get you back on the road. All right, so thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.